Is Claude AI not working properly? Whether the website won't load, responses aren't generating, or features aren't working as expected, there are several simple troubleshooting steps you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Claude AI not working in 2026. So let's get started. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Refresh the Claude page or try opening other websites to confirm your connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Claude from loading correctly. Next, reload the web page or close and reopen the Claude desktop app if you're using it. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to resolve temporary issues. Restarting your browser can also help. If Claude still isn't working, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then sign in again. You can also try using a different supported browser or an incognito window. Browser data can occasionally interfere with websites. Sometimes the issue isn't on your device. If Claude is experiencing an outage or scheduled maintenance, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. Take a moment to check the official status page for any reported issues. Make sure you're using the latest version of your web browser or the Claude desktop app. Installing updates can resolve compatibility problems and improve performance. Restarting your device after updating may also help. If Claude still isn't working after trying these steps, contact Claude support and include any error messages or screenshots to help them investigate the problem. So you've successfully learned how to troubleshoot Claude AI when it's not working, and that's how to fix Claude AI not working. In most cases, checking your internet connection, refreshing the app, clearing browser data, or waiting for a temporary service issue will solve the problem. Following these troubleshooting steps can help you get back to using Claude as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.